Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. On this channel, we're going to be talking about legendary marketer as well as affiliate marketing in general. So if you're interested in either, please subscribe to the channel and I'll be sure to bring you up-to-date information on how you can make money through affiliate marketing. Now, Legendary Marketer is a high-ticket affiliate marketing program. They offer their flagship product. It's the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. It is a skills-based, very hands-on, step-by-step, detailed walkthrough of everything you have to do to start your own high-ticket affiliate marketing business from scratch. This is the back end for the affiliate program. This right here is you have full access to the entire course. After you've completed it, you can go back and look at any of the resources they give you, all sorts of helpful tips to help you promote the product, promote Legendary Marketer, as well as technical advice in setting up every step of your sales funnel, as well as your email marketing campaign, your autoresponder, and any of your social pages which you use to promote Legendary. So let me go back into the challenge just to show you what you actually get. So it's $7 for the 15-day Business Builder Challenge, and like I said, you have lifetime access to all of this. Once you've completed it, you can go back and look at any of it. It's hosted by Dave Sharp. He is a self-made multimillionaire marketer, the legendary marketer himself, I guess. And he really breaks this course down in a very easy to understand way. I've seen complete beginners pick this up with no experience doing any type of digital marketing whatsoever. Myself, I didn't have much experience with digital marketing when I jumped into this. I had watched a bunch of YouTube videos. I had spent some time trying to make some money through affiliate marketing. I was able to generate some sales through ClickBank offers, some Amazon affiliate products, but the commissions were so low, it wasn't even worth the time I spent setting all the funnels up, setting all my websites up. So the high ticket affiliate marketing formula really fixes all those problems. When you are focusing on earning commissions from low ticket products, it's rarely worth your time and effort unless you're able to move massive amounts of volume. And if you're fairly new to affiliate marketing, you're probably new to driving traffic. You're probably new to setting up an audience. So you're probably not going to be able to drive this amount of traffic, the amount that you need to actually make some money. But with high ticket affiliate marketing, you can have an audience that's not even really that big compared to some of these audiences you see on some social pages. I've seen people with no more than a few thousand followers earning fairly consistent $1,000 commissions. So if you're starting from scratch with apps such as TikTok, you can blow up almost overnight. Sometimes overnight, you can get thousands of subscribers in a day or two if you're posting consistently and you're posting quality content that can, go viral. They definitely break it down. At some point in the course, they mention TikTok and tell you specifically go on TikTok because it's great organic traffic. If you go on there, you'll see a lot of legendary marketers on TikTok. If you go on there, you'll see a ton of other people promoting Legendary Marketer. And everybody puts their own personal brand on it. Everybody puts their own spin on it. So it's some people are worried it's saturated. There's so many people promoting Legendary, but the way it works with individuals promoting it, everybody kind of puts their own personal brand on it, and the saturation just really isn't there. There's always so many people out there trying to make money online. It is definitely one of, if not the most commonly searched term on the internet as far as people who want to learn how to do something. People want to learn how to make money online, and this program is really the best way there is, especially for beginners. Like I said, Dave Sharp breaks it down in a very easy way to understand that anybody can pick up. This is the first day of the challenge. It's about 40 minutes long of a video, and he really just, like I said, he breaks everything down and puts it step by step, explaining everything that you're going to have to do in the days moving forward. So you have a clear understanding of what's going to happen as you move forward. I'm going to go into day number 2 here. Yeah, so I think day 2 is he still really is just kind of giving you conceptual training, talking about the particular models of business that work the best. And he goes into the core 4 business models. I'm not going to go into those in this video, but sure enough, if you sign up for the challenge, you can hear him talk all about it. As you go on to subsequent days, you start getting skills-based training. Yeah, right here. This is one of the best videos in the course, in my opinion. This video just links you to another video. You see it's only a minute long, but I think it's an hour-long video after this, actually. It says 30 minutes, but it's an hour of skills-based, hands-on training that walks you step by step how to build your very own sales funnel. Yep, right here. Set up your first funnel, modeling our top core 4 sales funnels. And they have some additional resources you can. They're leading you to sign up for ClickFunnels. You don't have to use ClickFunnels. Personally, I use Builderall. If you want to be really successful and build a profitable long-term affiliate marketing business, you will have to sign up for some sort of site builder, autoresponder platform. ClickFunnels, I think they only offer the site builder, and then you'll have to sign up for an additional autoresponder platform. I use Builderall because it has those both combined into one, as well as many other tools at your disposal. It's a flat fee of $69, which is very competitive. I think ClickFunnels itself is about $100, and then an autoresponder is probably at least $15 or $20 a month. But Builderall is a flat fee, and it covers all of that, as well as a bunch of other tools. I'll put a link below for a free trial of Builderall if you want to try that out. Legendary Marketer, back into this. They have a great support team. The business plan advisor. At one point or at any point during the challenge, you can schedule a call with a business advisor, and you get an hour-long one-on-one call with somebody helping you set up the model for your business, for your affiliate marketing business. This is like so much value packed into this course. Again, it's only $7, and a one-on-one training call with an advisor, people would pay. I don't know how much people would pay for that, but that's not a cheap product, if you call it a product, but it's included with the cost of this $7 course. So definitely something you can take advantage of. And you can go on to the next days. I'm not going to go into any more days, but obviously there's just more skills-based training showing you everything you have to do. Once again, these are pretty much all the training modules broken down in a very organized way, so you can always go back to everything and take a look at everything. This truly is the best way for beginners to get started with high-ticket affiliate marketing. If you have no experience doing any type of marketing online or building any type of business, do not worry if this seems intimidating for you. It is broken down very simply. And you don't need to be afraid that you're not going to be able to do it in 15 days. You can take your time with this. You can take off days. One of the beauties about affiliate marketing is your work is always there. It's saved online. So if you step away from it for a day or two, if you're very busy, you don't have time to handle it, you can come back and everything's going to be right there where you left it. You can pick up and pick off. So if you want to take an off day every other day, you can complete the challenge in 30 days. I ran through it quickly. I like to have everything set up. But once you are done with the 15-day challenge, if you have gone through the skills-based training and completed every step that that Dave tells you to do, then you'll have the entire framework for your business set up. That means your sales funnel, your autoresponder, your social pages. If you're unfamiliar with these things, don't worry. They explain them all very, very carefully, very clearly. So after you've done with the challenge, you're not going to be rich at that point, but you're going to have the framework built that allows you to earn these commissions. And once the framework is there, all your job really is from that point on is to maintain the framework, make small adjustments where you see fit. Mostly your job is going to be posting on your social pages and growing your audience. However it is that you do that, whether it's connecting with people on Facebook, posting videos on TikTok, posting videos on YouTube, a combination of all three. If you have any other sources of traffic you're able to build an audience from. I see some people promoting on Pinterest. They go into depth on how to promote on a bunch of different platforms. Like they show you within this course, somewhere in it, they show you how to promote on Facebook, how to promote on TikTok. They break it all down for you. So if you're not sure how to do any of that, don't worry. They really will explain everything to you in this course. Once again, it's only $7. Definitely the best deal as far as learning digital marketing. Even if you already have a business set up, you can honestly get some great marketing advice here in terms of just promoting the products you're already selling in order to build your clientele, get more clients, and get more profits, make more money as a business owner. I really can't recommend this product enough. But I think I'm about 10 minutes into this video. I want to cut it right about now. So if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below. Once again, please subscribe if you found this helpful or valuable. If you want to learn anything more about affiliate marketing in the future, just let me know and I'll make a video about it. But anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day.